We have liftoff. So it's currently 8:55. I've been up for about nearly an hour. Not to be honest, I'll lay in bed. Got college calls about 10. I've still not done my self-evaluation crap. And chances are I probably won't, so 1, 2, 3, fixed. But yeah, so that's fixed. Today is going to be a busy day, and there's a couple of things I'm doing. So I've got 2 online college calls, although who knows, I might get lucky like last Wednesday, one will get cancelled, you never know. And I'm working again with the good manager that's on, so fucking brilliant. But I just finished watching this. So this is the new Boss Palace, basically the new version of this. When you think about it, we now know what the build is. We don't have any pictures, but we know what it's going to be. And we also know what minifigures are coming in, which both make me happy, but also in a way disappoint me, because one of the Lego figures I was really hoping for are not in this set. And it's not a Book of Boba Fett. Technically it is, right? But technically it isn't. By the way, if you've not seen Mandalorian Season 2, or this just isn't your thing, feel free to skip ahead. I'm trying to get my room. By the way, after this vlog clip, in fact, I'm going to quickly cut the camera to write down these details at some point. I'm going to make a video on my channel, because I technically got one of my minifigure predictions correct. See, there's a bunch of minifigures, a couple which we've never seen before, and am I happy. The one character they didn't include, the one I was hoping, one of the ones I was hoping for the most though, was 8D8, the 8D8 series Smelter Joy wasn't included, simply because you see him so much in those episodes. Wait, we've had what, 3 or 4? No, we've had 3 episodes. Yeah, 3. I think, yeah, this week will be number 4. I think my brain forgot already. Ugh. And now that we know what's in it, they're probably going to reveal it soon, right? Pictures. Because none of these characters are spoilers for Book of Boba Fett, because it's based off the end cutscene. Like, basically that end credit scene from The Mandalorian Season 2. So, I'm definitely on for buying it. Description, but it's not got a roof, it's not going to have the giant guard tower or anything like that. So, which is good, because it means this set will still be valuable and it'll still be in a way unique. Mostly because Lego doesn't want to get fucking threatened again. So I'm going to quickly take down those notes, because I'll make my own video probably after the episode. Okay, I've taken it down, so it has 8 minifigures. Given the price, that seems kind of crazy, given that one at 10 and how much that cost, but fair enough. So it's actually 9:02, so I need to get watching the Boba Fett before 10, because, you know, online college and crap.
It's been consumed by this jungle of a...
So while I'm watching this, I have to get ready as well. Like, I'm also gonna have to start that fucking online thing that I need to do. Mind you, I can always tell I'm still needing to finish it. And that can have it to her in a day or 2. Because that would be a lot more fucking simpler. Hopefully it's not an hour long, so this will work. But yeah, I'll be making that video probably maybe after the call, more likely. How long is it? 40, okay, that works. So we'll see you guys probably after the Zoom call. Or we'll know after this. All I can say to that was wow. Oh, also, I've actually now painted the speed bumps. But yeah, just finished watching and I'm in amazement. So, I'm like I say every week, well, this is the 4th time in a row I've really said it. This part of the vlog will 100% contains spoilers. Now, I have 10 minutes till my Zoom class. 10 minutes. So, I'm going to have to use that wisely. Brilliant episode. It is the final, well, at least I'm assuming anyway, the final episode to have the whole back-to-back flashback sequences. Because the flashbacks are now caught up to where we were in the series. Like, the flashbacks have caught up to, like, the first episode, and we already know what happens from there. So they don't need to show us anymore. So, yeah, that worked out brilliantly, and whatnot, so I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, decent length episode as well. I like the longer ones, because, like, you know, you've got to wait a week between them, so it's kind of more fun if the episodes last a bit longer, to be honest. But yeah, very, very enjoyable. Honestly, I cannot wait for next week, but anyway, I've already got out the things I'm going to use for this video, because it's like, we're getting a new bit for Tuner, we're getting a new Gamorrean card, Boba Fett's in it, so I pulled out Boba Fett. Then we're getting a weekly, so I pulled out a weekly, and also we have the Palace. Tell you one thing, I've got a lot of use out of this set, review-wise, display-wise, all these other videos that I was appeared in. This set I've definitely gotten my value out of. So yeah, that's brilliant. But I'll have to make that video. I'll see you after the online class, which I'll probably finish sometime between 11 and 12 o'clock. So, see you after Zoom. So, I've been off Zoom for probably about half an hour. Wait, half an hour? Try goddamn 45 minutes. Jesus, I didn't realise what time it was. So, it's 49 minutes past 12. 1:30 is the next class, so within that I need to shower and eat. Because obviously I'm working, I can't do either of those things any other time, so I need to go get those things done now. So that class was horrible. This next class ends at 3:30, so that's why I need to go get those other things. I don't even know if I'm going to have dishes time either, now that I think about it. Yeah, you're probably thinking, hey, she's probably doing all this stuff instead of vlogging. Yeah, you'd think. Right, I need to go put a micro pizza on. Or do I shower first? I'll shower first. I'm not going to go into my work clothes right away. I'm just going to put some joggies on when I come out of the shower. I have a fresh t-shirt as well. Or a t-shirt, to be honest. There's two. Right, we've got some t-shirts, some joggies. Obviously that's not what I wear at work, but it's something quick that I can use just now. This clip won't be long. If you'll get another one between this and the next class starting, I have no clue, but I hope to God she does not drag it on until 3:30, because that's leaving me half an hour to be ready to go, and I'm sorry, I'm not that confident in my abilities to, do anything that quickly. Yeah. Plus at no, wait, I get out of that because I'll be in college. I'm going to say at 2 o'clock I'm just going to have to watch my little sister, but my dad will have to take her because I'll be on college call. So, yeah, I'm just going to put you guys down somewhere so I can continue talking and do what I need to do. So, yeah, it's a giant pain in the ass, honestly, sometimes college. I'm not working tomorrow. Tomorrow's my day off. Then I'm working Friday, Saturday, and fucking Sunday. Saturday, Sunday are 5:30 to 9:30 shifts, so that's leaving even earlier. Friday will be a pain because that teacher likes to be awkward and not like, come on, I'm employed. You need to give me some room there. And if you're like, no, you have to get your work to give you that kind of room. Although this is someone who seems to like to make things awkward, so if I'm being honest, it ain't exactly the surprise of the goddamn century. Okay then. So yeah, shower. I'm debating, let's see, time-wise, going to eat, if I'm washing my hair or just going dry shampoo. The problem with the dry shampoo is, you don't actually wash that stuff out. It can be a pain in the butt to get. I've already got a little bit of it in my hair, but only the tiniest bit. So I'm gonna quickly tie my hair back, and if I'm okay with the way it's looking, I'm just gonna put you guys down here while I do that. If I'm okay with the way it's looking, we'll just go for that. If not, washing it. Because if I can fix this by simply just combing it, which, I think I can. The key word is I think. Then I'll just wear it like that, but it's actually doing alright. It was like a tiny bit I had to use, and like one tiny bit the bit of my hair, so it was like, it was doing okay. Do you know what? It's probably, do you know what? Yeah, maybe naturally getting to work, with my hair just down, without it being tied up there. Obviously I have to tie it back if I'm going to a shower because I don't want it to get wet since I don't intend to wash it. So yeah, I'm putting the bob on. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to this weekend. Thursday, if I do end up meeting up with friends, it'll have to be a Thursday because it's the only up basically tomorrow. Because my whole weekend, now I could hang out with them earlier in the day, but that never seems to work for me. Like obviously I would have to get used to having other things as well as work during the day because I'm going to do it for college. But it's like, see if I work the Friday and have college on Friday, which is actually seems like I'm today. So you try to get up again early enough in the day for it to be worth it. It's a pain in the ass, although it's a struggle I know that many people have to deal with. Right, so I'm pretty much ready to go and shower. My dad's away to go get my little sister, so quickly turn the TV off on, and I don't need it on. Done. Right, so I'm going to shower. Again, it's currently 54 minutes past. This phone is 2 minutes quick, but still, I think I can get everything I need done. This next class is quite lenient, so I don't have to turn my camera on either. Trust me, Wednesday, even though the classes are kind of crap, the lectures are actually kind of good, so you do get some leeway. So I'll see you guys probably right before or just after the next Zoom call. So my hair's a bit weird, but yeah. Yeah, so first physical appearance might appear more than once, unlike, ones I've done the other few days, but yeah, so let's see, it's currently 46 minutes past. That is the correct time, not the, 2 minutes of head time, but yeah, so I've got a lot of dry shampoo in my hair. I got it alright. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna quickly give this place a square up, clean. My hair will not be staying like this. I'll be tying it back for work if I'll remember. What about you guys? I'm just gonna clean. Can't even mess with music. Fucking devils. So we'll yeah, those bloody idiots. Yeah, it looks alright. Get some socks. Yeah, I can fix my hair again. My brother's got yelling at me a complete shit socks. Socks, yeah, you can hear it. Time's it. I'll put my watch back on as well. I think I'll go fix my hair a little bit. There we go, look alright. I'll be putting a hat on, but who knows? Put that there, put my hoodies away. big seal. I'm gonna have to fix my quite a bit sometimes. My watch on, still using this one. Came in to reattach this rubber bit though, it's very, very slack, and I hope this, see if this rubber piece goes. I'll have to put a watch in my pocket for work. Do you get one? It's probably can as well. Watch on. So it's 15 minutes past, probably not a couple minutes. Fun. Hoodies on, my hair's a bit of a mess again, honestly. The hat's going on, so not big a problem. Coming up my store in my bag, you know, go to the toilet and organise it. But I just want the toilet to be neat, even though it'll be tied up. Honestly. We'll see better in the light how it's going to. See what we all that yelling. Yeah. Try my best with it. I need to wash it, but yeah. So I'll get it tied back anyway, which I'll do when I get to work, so I'll see you on my way to work. So, what time is it? The one that's on my phone. 24 minutes past 10, so just making my way back home. Well, close to the bus stop anyway. And then, go with the bus, although given it's what time it is, obviously 2 minutes ahead on this phone. That ain't all that bad, so I suppose. I mean, because it basically means that I'm waiting not for what, slightly over 20 minutes for it. I'm content. When it has done 21 for about, what, 10-15 minutes. Got myself, there were like 90, there might be 93 pence, I got them for 50. So see, before work, I went and got 2 bags of fucking donuts. 5 donuts a bag. Instead of being like over £1, it was fucking 40 pence each. I've got plenty of my coke left, so alright. No, see, I'm working tomorrow. No. Tomorrow's my night off, and then I'm working the entire fucking weekend. Although, see, it turns out I've actually had to reinvestigate this thing. I have to do 24 hours a week now. Not that my work will fucking give me 24 hours, because fuck it. They have to cut down on how many hours they can give you, so nobody's getting overtime. Everybody's fucking mega restricted to contract hours, which is great because it means the work life, but fucking sucks. But it turns out I've got more holidays coming to me than I fucking initially thought. Like, that sounds fucking brilliant to me. See, my dad's not going on the honeymoon end of May, so I was saying to them, listen, about my holidays on. Oh yeah, they're paid holidays, still paid holidays. Fucking brilliant. I'm definitely on that one. So I'll take a week off. I'm like, oh, by the way, any holidays you've currently got left? Because I've only used like 1 or 2 holiday days, right? No, wait. I took the 24th off, I took the 26th, 27th, and I think I was back on the 28th, so... no. I'm back on, so I think I've got about 3, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I took about 4 days, so I imagine I should have at least a week left. But I was told, hey, listen, use all your holidays. So I'm going to use them before fucking April, because that's when the tax year resets, and I'll have a whole new year's worth of them. So, I've got the app, so I can go check my fucking holidays. So, I'll be doing that when I'm on the fucking bus. It's currently 37 minutes past, which means it's reality, it's 25 past. So it's like, I'm in 20 minutes to the bus, although, yeah, thank you. I've had the good experience or two when it's come early, which has happened a couple of times recently. You know that I fucking vlogged it because I'm a fucking chip. Right. I think the last bit of footage you saw, right, was, like, I think I talked saying I'd see you after work. And then I got like 5 minutes of my fucking bus ride. The bus ride is actually a detour, which fucking sucks. An extra 5-10 minutes on the journey, but still, it's like, I've got to get up early again tomorrow for fucking college. Let's see, what classes? Fucking, see, all that. I've got lecture, I've got maths for cooking, although we're going to be back in the college next week, although it's blended. It's fucking confusing, the weird list I've got. It's like class A, class B, like, it's fucking weird the way they're doing it. But you know what, I didn't get placed in a group with those dickheads. Like, the 2 dickheads got split up, so one's in one group, the one's in another. So I don't have to deal with one. Mind you, he's been a little bit of a dick on the fucking call today, but also everyone just tells him to shut the fuck up and mind his own business, so suppose good? No thanks. Every time me and fucking Cody got McDonald's, at one point, every time he would check the fucking wrap potatoes. But, yeah, fuck. Right, I realise I've been rambling on for nearly 5 minutes here, and I don't think this is going anywhere, but I'll see you probably when I get home, and by then I can tell you what my fucking holiday days are. So it's 22:12, which ain't too bad. No? Right, yeah. So I was chilling out. I'm gonna hang things up. I did a few things. But yeah, I got the bus, came home, actually already eaten. Like, I'm doing alright. I'll be apart from my pyjamas, which I ain't changed. I'm still in my work kit, but yeah, I'm gonna close this as well. So somehow I didn't know this, right? But my work does full pay holidays. Again, it's the first normal job I've ever had, so I didn't know. So yeah, you can only have so many a year, and every April it resets. So it's when once you've used all your days, you've used them all. I'm gonna quickly change. Then I'll explain. So yeah, if any workplace basically, because of the way the tax thing seems to work, didn't know it related. Basically, your number of holiday days reset in April. So I'm given how little I work, right? I work 4 times a week, right? Which means 3 of those days a week I'm actually not in work. So like they gave me just over a week. Keep in mind, I only started there in November, so they're not going to give me a full, year's worth of holidays. So I know I've used like 2 days, so I think I've got like 9 days all in. So I still have 7 days that I can use. So I've got 7 holiday days to use up, and I'm trying to figure out how the hell to use them. So I know that I want Thursday, March 10th, basically my birthday. I know I want that off. And probably the weekend as well, that right thereafter. Because, by the way, there's a video. Because to see if this new Budapest Palace is as good as everyone's saying it is. Or based on the information, I want to go buy it there that weekend. So yeah, could be that'll be a vlog. As for my dad not going on the honeymoon, because it resets, I'll definitely have enough days to take a week off, and I'll go for Edinburgh. Do an Edinburgh vlog for the first time in ages. Anyway, it's actually 15 minutes to 12. So I'm gonna watch this, and I think the next update might be the last because I'm super tired. So me has news. Alexa, set an alarm for 8 a.m.
Alarm set for 8 a.m.
Alexa, set alarm for 8:01 a.m.
Second alarm set for 8:01 a.m.
Alexa, remind me to wake up at 8:02 a.m.
Okay, I'll create a reminder at 8:02.
By the way, it's 10 to 1 in the morning, so I'd best be going to sleep in like the next sort of 15 minutes. But yeah, so I watched a couple things. Cool news, right? That I'm not going to show them now, but I might show them tomorrow's vlog. We have a leak, so sure I talked about a bit about the new Budapest Palace earlier in the vlog, but no, we have 2 minifigure leaks. Yes, 2. One of which is for one of the female dancer minifigures. The other which is the new Quarren minifigure, who is a minifigure we've never seen in Star Wars. So I don't know if they're the final colour palettes or if these are the ones, like, it's very confusing what everyone's saying on Facebook. But yeah, that is like the ultimate end to this day, so what's next? I'm just gonna go have a quick some tea and then go to sleep, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.